Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this email management tools, which is Clean Email. So let's quickly get started. Clean Email is one of the best tools for decluttering and organizing messy inboxes. It shines with features like Smart View to group email, quick clean for bulk action, auto clean rules for recurring tasks, and a powerful unsubscribe tool to stop newsletter at the source. It works with multiple accounts, supports most providers, and puts a big emphasis on privacy, which makes it a reliable option for anyone drowning in email overload. On the downside, its free trial is limited and every user may need to upgrade quickly. Filter can occasionally misclassify important email, and the unsubscribe tool doesn't always work on stubborn sender. It also lacks advanced productivity extras like AI drafting or deep CRM integration. Overall, Clean Email is the best choice if your top priority is clean out cluttering, but not if you want a full-featured email productivity assistant. And that's it. Go find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.